Hi guys, so today our topic of discussion would be public group in Salesforce Lightning. Creating groups of users can be beneficial in many ways. They assist when sharing access and synchronization of records. Public groups is like a container that only system administrators can create, but any user can be part of a group. For example, when there are multiple offices for a company and you want to provide access to records or list views based on department, a public group for each office would allow each to view only records related to them. This also can help keep list views relevant to each office's needs. So let's create one public group. Let's go to setup. And then from the quick find, type in public groups. Click a new button. So in here, you can type in the name of the public groups that you want. So I'm gonna put in sales reps. And then on the search drop down, just select users. And in here, you can select the users to whom you want to share the list view. So click on add and then click on save. So now let's create a case list view and make this visible to the new public group that we just created. Click on new, and then I'm gonna create a list view for sales reps. So as you can see, we now have an option to select the public group that we just created, which is the sales rep. So I'm gonna select on that and then click save. So once you've created the list view, you now have you can now modify the filter of this list view based on your business requirements. So that is how we make public group in Salesforce Lightning. Thank you so much for watching.